Introduce Steve Godsey from Navisite.
Okay, my 72 slides, everyone is hopefully very comfortable. I'm just joking. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, and certainly let you know that this deck is available if anybody's interested after. We'll go ahead and email it to you. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Navisite and how it's relevant also to the startup community. Boy, I do have to get close to this thing. So a little bit about Navisite is we really kind of position ourselves with our clients as trusted partners, and also really function as an extension of IT staff. We are a service provider of managed application services, managed hosting, and managed cloud services. Managed application services we provide Oracle, EBS, JD Edwards, Hyperion, and we provide this on an outsourced basis to companies that are looking to take advantage of costs associated with outsourcing and cost savings as opposed to doing it themselves. And it's relevant to startup companies in that you don't have to put a lot of that infrastructure in place in order to support your community of users. Managed hosting services are traditional web hosting applications and so forth. And what's really relevant and what I wanted to share today and what Eric kind of gave a segue into is the managed cloud services. This is relevant to startup companies if you're developing applications, software as a service type application, for example, and to be able to build an infrastructure, put an infrastructure in place for a fraction of what it costs compared to traditional IT environments, and saving the 20 to 40%. One of the characteristics about cloud is that it gives you incredible flexibility to build and develop applications and environments and suit those for your clients and for your own IT infrastructure to be able to offer you a tremendous amount of elasticity and flexibility in the product. We have locations that are across the U.S. So we have here in the West Coast, up in San Jose, East Coast, Andover, and in the U.K., and 9 other data centers are spread throughout the U.S. And our applications are built from the ground up from a co-location infrastructure to a fully managed cloud service and platform as a service, and then, of course, applications, custom applications, package apps, and software as a service. Some of the certifications that we have in the industry, we are, I think, one of Cisco's first managed application cloud services providers. We work very closely with Cisco. Our platform is built on VMware for virtualization, Cisco UCS for the compute layer, IBM XID storage, and it's all wrapped around the Cisco security. So it provides our clients the ability to bring in an entire data infrastructure as both a primary data center and a redundant data center for disaster recovery. It's a very common application. We are also an Oracle Platinum provider. That's how we're able to provide those managed application services through Oracle. And VMware and the other certifications that some of you that work with the military or state and local governments, those kind of things also require a certain level of certification. So we can do that with NIST, BISMA, HIPAA if you're in healthcare. And this, I won't go through everything. Again, I spoke to managed hosting services, server management, that type of thing, remote monitoring capabilities that Navisite provides to our customers. And managed cloud services. Again, this is a unique model that is based on the consumption. So you only pay for utility computing as opposed to having to go out and buy servers and do that, build it out and maintain them all yourself. And we're going to talk a little bit about managed application services. And if Brady, you want to come up and say a word or two about managed applications. Brady's our general manager for managed application services here at Navisite.
Well, thank you, everybody. Just want to take a second. I handle our applications, but also our SaaS enablement. And it's a really exciting time in that, people are moving from their traditional deployments to the SaaS deployments. And companies such as yourself that are starting up are looking to, not incur the CapEx, but the OpEx. So we have multiple programs that we've put in place to help you guys. So we've got agreements with Microsoft and Oracle to build out where you no longer have to go out and incur the CapEx for the licensing. So things such as Oracle database licenses, the middleware, other items from Oracle, we can offer to ISVs on a monthly basis. And it's something that we're the first North American partner and one of a handful of partners worldwide that can offer this program. So we're really, really excited about that. From years of working with Oracle, it's something that our ISV community and service have been asking for. So we're very excited there. But we have the capabilities really to manage it from the infrastructure service, offer that to you all the way up through the applications. So some of the benefits just really of the program is, zero upfront costs. It's a pay-as-you-go program. So as your business scales, you can leverage the licensing as it changes month to month. And it's just very exciting. We can be your one-stop shop for all of your hosting needs. Thank you, guys, and I appreciate your time, and I'll turn this back over to Brent.
All right, thanks, guys.